Are you looking for the best dust collector machines for woodworking? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best dust collector machines for woodworking that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Ridgid 16-gallon wet dry vac with detachable blower. If you're looking for a shop vacuum that can support big messes, the Ridgid wet dry vac should be your first choice. Ridgid has been a leading manufacturer of shop vacs for years, and this model is an excellent example of why this brand is so popular. Combining powerful suction power, durability, lightweight design, and well-designed accessory storage, this 16-gallon model checks all the boxes and is large enough to handle a full day of debris cleanup without being emptied. Built with a 6.5 horsepower motor, this particular vac is made for heavy-duty projects. A pleated cartridge filter comes with this model and is excellent at capturing general debris, but I recommend replacing the stock filter with a HEPA filter and dust collection bag. There's an accessory storage rack along the back and additional storage over the rear wheels. The accessories allow me to get in between and under car seats to suck up everything Cheerios, puzzle pieces, sand, Legos, you name it, it's under there. When paired with a Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator or DeWalt Separator, the Ridgid wet dry vacuum turns into a high-capacity, 2-stage dust collection system, and with a large drum size, can capture a day's worth of debris from the table saw or planer. The Ridgid has easily accessible cord storage where I can quickly wrap the 20-foot cord out of the way, which is essential in a smaller workshop where space is at a premium. With a height of about 25 inches, this 16-gallon vac is tall enough to grab the top and side handles without bending over too far and makes it easier to push around corners and doorways without banging into walls. It sucked up 2 gallons of water in just 5 seconds and took 4 seconds to handle a mess of cat litter and screws. Up next in the 4th place is the Shopfox W1E826 wall mount dust collector. Wall-mounted dust collectors are an ideal pick for small shops because they mount directly to the wall rather than taking up precious floor space. They stay out of the way, but are still close enough at hand to use at a moment's notice. Shopfox's wall dust collector is only 44 inches tall with the bag inflated, while the unit is only 19 inches long. Apart from the compact size, it still boasts powerful suction thanks to a 1 horsepower motor. I tested this model with my table saw and jointer and found it able to collect over 99% of the dust from my table saw, having no issues moving a higher volume of air to handle the larger dust output of my table saw. It took about 100 passes on the jointer before changing the bag. The 2.5 micron filter bag filters out most contaminants, including fine dust particles. It's a great way to keep small workshops tidy without sacrificing space. The thick, felted bag on the Shopfox has pluses and minuses. It gathers chips and dust in the same felted bag that serves as its filter. This machine is more affordable than canister filters and is lighter to mount to the wall. Without a separate plastic collection bag, the wood chips are tough to shake out of the felt bag and through the small zipper on the bottom. Overall, this is a great value. But if you have a bigger budget, the Shopfox wall mount W1E844 model will make bag changes easier, and its canister filter captures airborne particles down to 1 micron in size. The 3rd product on our list is the Powertec wall mount dust collector. This Powertec dust collector has an extra small footprint, making it the perfect choice for a small but busy workshop. The machine moves 560 CFM of suction power through a 4-inch inlet with an impressive 1 micron filter efficiency rating. The Powertec operates at about 85 decibels, just below harmful noise. The setup consists of a couple of straightforward steps. First, mount the unit to the wall and attach the bag. If your wall is concrete or masonry, you can attach it to the wall with lag shields and screws. If not, you'll need to attach a mounting board across studs not included and mount the unit to that board. Be sure to wear gloves when setting up, as there are some sharp edges on the metal band clamp used to attach the bag. Also, you'll want help attaching the bag for the first couple of times, as it takes some practice to install the metal band without someone holding the bag in place. Second on our list is the Oneida Air Systems Dust Deputy, a workshop that uses a single stage or bag-style dust collector to collect dust can leave you with bags to empty and filters to clean or replace, quickly becoming messy and costly. That changes with the Oneida Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator. The device uses centrifugal force to separate 99.9% of fine dust and heavier particles into a 5-gallon bucket and sends cleaned air to the dust collector or shop vac. My first test of the Dust Deputy was running cedar through a thickness planer. Without the Dust Deputy, the shop vac would have filled the disposable bag within the first couple of boards. I easily collected and emptied the 5-gallon bucket of shavings, rather than spending time cleaning the pleated filter of caked-on dust. Now, I have a 2-stage system that means continuously high suction and prolonged filter life. The biggest money saver is having to replace disposable filter bags less often. By separating out the chips and dust before they reach the vacuum, I can quickly empty the bucket, drastically reducing the frequency with which I replace the disposable bag. I have also noticed a visible reduction in dust around the shop with just a HEPA filter upgrade in my shop vac and the Dust Deputy. A downside to the bucket cyclone system is that it must stay attached to the vacuum by a short hose, leaving you to drag everything with you. Workarounds include building a dust collection cart or adding caster mounts to the bucket. Finally, the top product on our list is the DeWalt Separator with 6-gallon tank. The DeWalt Separator is a winning combination for defeating dust when paired with a wet and dry vac. Because it pairs with a shop vac, there's no need to be careful about clogging the filter by sucking up non-dust particles. An adaptable port allows for a 1/7/8 or 2/1/2 connection, which fits various dust collection hose sizes. The turbine airflow inside the cone effectively enhances the suction power of the shop vacuums and captures 99.5% of debris from the airstream. This eliminates suction loss and loose dust particles on the floor and in the air. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.